In this video, I'll tell you about the different elements of a search engine results page. This is called the search box, where people type whatever they are looking for. When they type anything in it and press enter, they see different results. Let's analyze these results. At the top, you'll mostly see ads like these ones. They can be identified by a little ad written over here. Usually 4 ads are shown at the top. If we scroll down, we can see this box which is called a feature snippet. Here Google is trying to answer our question directly. You can click on this link to go to this website to view the whole page. Below the feature snippet, we have the people also ask section. Here Google is showing us questions related to our query. You can click on any question and then you can read the answer over here, or you can click this link to visit the page to read the whole answer. Now if I scroll down, I can see more search results. These are called traditional search results, which are also called 10 blue links. Earlier when Google was new, only 10 blue links were shown in the search results. 3 to 4 ads were shown at the top and bottom, and in the middle 10 blue links were shown. Now search results have changed and Google is trying to help users by adding more SERP features. Let's analyze a blue link. This is called the title of the page or called meta title. Then we have description of the page, which is also called meta description. And then at the top we have URL of the page. Now let's scroll down. This is the video box where we are presented with videos related to our query. And then we have related searches, these ones and these ones. Earlier only these related searches were shown, but now these are the new additions by Google. Then we can click on these buttons to see more results related to our query. Let's analyze some more results. If I type any brand name in Google, like you can see I've typed Amazon, we are presented with the home page of Amazon. This is the meta title, meta description and URL, and these are the site links. These are simply links to other pages of this website. On the right hand side, we have Google Knowledge Panel, where Google shows us more information about Amazon, like its founder, its social profiles, and then related searches. Then we have Twitter cards, where we can see the related or trending tweets. Then we have top stories showing us the news. They sometimes appear in the middle of the search results page, like in this case, and sometimes at the top if our query is related to a news, like you can see over here. Here we can see the top stories box at the top of the search results page. Then on the right hand side, we have Google Knowledge Panel, which Google shows for a famous person, place or a thing. Then we have image box, where we can see images related to our search query. For some queries, Google also shows us ratings, reviews and prices. Next we have Google Local 3-pack like this one. Google shows us a local 3-pack for some queries because Google knows that the people are looking for local businesses to visit or call them. Sometimes this video appears at the top for certain queries, which is known as a featured video box. Then sometimes Google gives us the instant answer. I've typed Donald Trump age, and as a result, Google has given me the direct answer and shows me also the age of other related people. Then sometimes we get the recipes in this form if our search query is related to a recipe. Here we can see more information like reviews, total time to make it, and also ingredients. Then in some cases, Google shows us a dictionary if Google thinks that the person is looking for a definition. So this was a brief overview of search engine results page features. Google is adding more features with time to improve its user experience. Later in the course, I'll refer to these terms, and it's good if you are already familiar with these terms. Later I'll tell you how you can get in the feature snippet and also how you can get the site links. Although you can't directly control the site links that you want to appear over here, but there are ways with which you can help Google so that it picks the links that you want to appear over here. I'll also tell you how you can appear in the People Also Ask section and how you can optimize your meta title, meta description, and your URL. I'll also tell you how you can appear in other SERP features. Thank you.